Hey, it's Mike over at fishyourassoff.com, and just got some great baits. I'm fishing up here in the, I guess, southern part of Fort Pierce, maybe Jensen Beach area. You know, got some great bait here. The water is disgusting. It's got all this algae and stuff in it, but I'm hopeful that the snook and tarpon around here maybe won't care that much because there's bait everywhere. So hopefully it'll work. You know, got the old kayak out again, so we'll see if I can't stealth up on a few decent fish. But wish me luck. All right, what do we got? Oh, nice snook. Nice snook. Come on, no, don't get wrapped. Don't you get wrapped. Oh, come on, buddy. I can't handle him. Come on. Come on. This guy is a pig. You have got to see this guy. Come on. Come in. Let everybody see you. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't go under there. No, no, no. Get out of there. Get. No, no, no. Oh. Dang it. All right. What's up in here? What did I get? Looks like a blue. Oh, he's decent. Except that snook I had earlier would have eaten this guy. I can't believe I didn't get that in. Relax. Man. Oh, thank you. Another blue. Dang, they're thick up in here. Come on, get off. I don't want to mess with you. Blues are thick. Come here, dude. Relax, relax. Oh, God. That was a snook. He just slammed the bait this guy spit up. Come on, dude. I gotta get that snook. You gotta get out of here. Oh my God. There we go. Oh yeah. Damn, I think I got another bluefish. Shoot. I think that thing's more like a jack. Yeah. That first snook's just teasing me. Please don't be the last snook I hooked today. Alright. Well. Nice old jack. Right there. Alright. See you, buddy. Thank you. Nice tarpon. Come on. Come on. Come on. This guy's a good one. Oh, he just figured out he's hooked. Come on. Come on up. Oh, I got 20-pound leader on here. I gotta be careful with this guy. Come on. Come on. What are you doing, man? Taking me right into the stupid mangroves. Come on, stop. Where are you? No. Don't do it, don't do it. No, 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 no. No, no. Come on. God. It's taking me right in the mangrove. No. No. Not again. Oh, God. Not again. It's like a 4-footer. Come on. I gotta get bigger leader. These guys are killing me. Come on. Oh, this guy knows exactly what he's doing. Come on. Get out there, open water. Oh, there you are. Come on up. There we go. Oh my God. Oh, it's like a 4-foot tarpon. Son of a bitch. What do we have this time? Oh, another tarpon. Nice. Come on. Did you see that? That was a little sea turtle. Here we go. Nice. Nice. Here we go. Comes another jump maybe. Nope. Come on. Come on. There's the leader. You jumping again? No. Oh, he's a good one. Look at this guy. Wow. That's a nice sized tarpon. Thank you, Mr. Tarpon. Oh, hey. He's not done. I thought he was done. He is not done. Come on, buddy. Oh, almost in the boat. God, that's why this is my favorite fish to catch right here. You just don't know what's gonna happen next. Oh, jeez. Come on, buddy. Give us a break here. I'll let you go right now. All right. I'm letting you go. Oh man, you got me in the weeds. I'm letting you go right now. You're killing me, man. Well, that's it for today. You know, hooked that big tarpon, hooked that big snook, didn't get him in. Got a little tarpon, couple of bluefish, a jack. That's it for today. But anytime anyone wants to go and do some kayak fishing, we offer, I'm a guide, a kayak fishing guide. We do charters. Just go to fishyourassoff.com and see if we have any room for you. They get filled up, especially weekends, pretty quick, but weekdays usually okay. So until next time, we'll see you then. All right, bye-bye.